In this video, we'll be unboxing the wireless mouse from Eyooso, specifically the E1131. So this is the box it comes in. Very nice packaging, very straightforward. And we're just gonna open up like so. And then here is the mouse. So I gotta say, I'm very impressed with the look and feel of it. It's got this nice matte finish right here that feels very smooth and nice. And then it's got a nice shine right here with the black. And then pretty comfortable feeling on both sides. So Eyooso comes out with a bunch of different types of mouses. This is actually from another brand from Eyooso. So you have two different options here. This one's a little bit more skinny and more narrow, and then this one's got more of a curvature and really fits the thumb like right there and hugs it. This one's more of just, if you're not used to a bigger mouse, I would probably go with this one right here actually. This is similar to another mouse I have, and I much prefer this size of a mouse over this one, but it's all over what you prefer in terms of the fit with your hand. I have kind of a small to medium hand, even though I am 6'3", but I just prefer a smaller mouse, so I would definitely go with this option over this one. So for this mouse, it does have 5 different DPI settings. This one right here only has 3 from Eyooso. This one has 5 from 800 all the way up to 2400. So that'll determine the speed of how fast you can move your mouse across the screen. It has a very long battery life. This mouse will go to sleep in 8 minutes of inactivity, so it helps to keep a longer battery life, which is really nice. It also has 5 million times keystroke test. So they've tested it out, and this thing can handle a lot of use and abuse just to last you a long time. And then also the mouse pad, as you can see right here, is right here, and then it's also got an optical sensor right there. And then for the USB, you would just pull this thing out right here and plug this into your device, and then you can be connected instantly. And just keep in mind that you will need to get a AA battery to fit right in here, and then you will be good to go to use this mouse right away. Also keep in mind that this can work up to 33 feet. Again, I don't know why you would want to be more than just a couple feet away from your computer, but if you need the option to be 33 feet away from wherever you plugged in the receiver, they give you that option, so that's always good to know. Also, this mouse can be used on MacBooks or PC, so it can work on either platform, so you don't need to worry about compatibility. And it seems to feel really great. It feels great. I love this matte finish, and this is the Eyooso 1131.